From time to time, you will see an offer that is very hard to refuse. And surprise, surprise, this is one of those moments. Because there is a new kid on the block, the D7S, now our classic D7 is selling at its lowest price ever. Because I've seen it on their website, I thought it only fair to compare the two of them and decide which one is better for you, and try to see if the current price of the D7 is something that will convince you in buying the older version versus the new. In a previous video, we have discussed everything that you need to know about the D7, what I liked about it, what I didn't like about it, and how it managed to become my daily diagnostic tool. Now we're looking on the Xtool shopping site on AliExpress to get an understanding and an overview of what the new D7S is capable of doing. Of course, when you want to buy these types of diagnostic tools, links will be in the description, and your normal shopping platforms will be your weapons of choice. So Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress. As it stands right now, the best price for the D7 or the D7S, you will have it on AliExpress. And I know people are afraid of AliExpress because it takes ages, because you need to pay additional tax. Now, due to the fact that Xtool has warehouses all over the world, their promise on line number 3 is that providing you are in one of those countries, you are able to get fast shipping and no additional import tax. This makes it really, really appealing to buy it from AliExpress. A link will be in the description, and you decide a little bit later what fits best for you. Okay, D7 versus D7S. You get a very short comparison on their website. However, I've done a more detailed one between the two of them. Main things to look at. CPU is exactly the same. The RAM memory, exactly the same. Screen size, surprise, surprise again, it is the same. Where we are seeing a difference is in the available storage, 32 versus 64. Operating system, it is the same. However, the graphic interface has changed. No more this layout. Say welcome to the newer layout. Battery size has increased, 4000 versus 5000. Differences in functionality, not that many. However, the biggest difference, the ones that you should be looking at, are these last two bits, which are new diagnostic protocols. The CAN-FD, Controller Area Flexible Data, which offers higher speeds for diagnostics and for communication on the network of your vehicle. And after that, DOIP, Diagnostic over the Internet protocol, which again is a game changer. The D7S will be future-proofed, will be a tool that is able to work much, much better on cars like the JLRs, BMW, Mercedes, Volvos, and anything that is quite complicated. Now, going back to their website, which one is the tool that you think is better for someone to purchase? If it was me buying again a diagnostic tool, because I'm a nerd, I would still go for the newer, latest and greatest D7S. However, when I'm looking at the selling price of the D7, what I'm seeing there makes it a quite appealing purchase, especially for someone that is a beginner and for someone that is more of a hobbyist. Now, let me know which one you think works the best for you. If you have previous experience with these tools, tell me your opinion about them. Should you want to work with me on different projects, get in touch using the social media placed somewhere in the video or our website. From time to time, we appreciate seeing your affection, be it likes, subscribes, or different beautiful comments, or any other things that you consider might make our day a little bit better. Now, we reached the end of this video, and we have to say our farewell and see you hopefully in the next one.